several tools that manufacturers can use to cope with the uncertainties caused by Brexit and the COVID pandemic. So based on the crisis management strategy that HSSMI put forward last year, manufacturers should first assess their existing facilities and then look to adapt their business strategy to respond to the changes in the marketplace. In establishing the current state of the business, manufacturers should keep flexibility in mind and seek to maximise the flexibility of production lines or look to repurpose them. Flexibility of equipment, process, shift patterns and logistical elements can all play a part towards this goal. So when adapting an existing business strategy, manufacturers should look to integrate elements related to productivity, sustainability and digitalisation. Also, lean manufacturing methodologies such as just-in-time production and design for manufacture can reap significant benefits when managed effectively, as well as elements such as Kaizen, Kanban and Six Sigma to drive down waste and process inefficiency. Sustainability should extend to the entire business, so that's from product design through to inbound supply chains all the way through to waste streams. Manufacturers should look at how they can implement circular practices to drive economic benefits. So the world is moving quickly towards a connected, digitalised manufacturing future. Digital 4.0 is often referred to as the next phase in the Industrial Revolution, where interconnectivity, automation, machine learning and real-time data can all drive improved production methods, benefiting the consumer, producer and the wider system. Last but not least, HSSMI provides a detailed roadmap tool, which can also help in planning for the future. It includes a detailed analysis of a business's current state of play. It identifies the ideal future state and maps how you can get there. So for more information on the roadmap tool or how we can assist you in implementing circular economy principles or digital tools, please get in touch via the email address at the end of this video.